Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for watching. So you guys love my Walmart videos, my legging videos, my bikini videos, like all the above. So I was thinking to myself, why don't I try the Walmart leggings? Test them out, see how good they are, see if they're squat proof, just try them on and see how they do. So that's what I'm gonna do today. I just got ready for the day. It's in the morning. I am still like kind of congested from being sick all last week. That's kind of why I was MIA and didn't really post like I normally do. You can probably still hear it in my voice. I still am very like congested and it's bothering me so bad, but I do feel like so much better, so I'm thankful for that. So we are going to get our coffee and then head out the door to Walmart. I'm going to take you guys with me. I hope you like this video, and if you do, thumbs it up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed already. We would love to have you a part. We are on our way to reaching a goal of 100,000 subscribers, and once we do, I will be announcing a huge giveaway just to give back to you guys and to say thank you. So I'm so excited for that giveaway. It's going to be the biggest one I have ever done on my channel, so I can't do it without your guys' help. So make sure you're subscribed if you aren't already. Tell everyone you know to subscribe and share my videos. All that helps so much. Without further ado, let's go to Walmart. Okay, so lately I have been on a coffee kick and I really just can't start my morning feeling right without caffeine. And so I want to show you guys what I've been adding into my coffee because it's something definitely different. Alex Garza actually shared it in one of her videos. I had never heard of it before. So I did some research and I purchased it and I tried it and I'm using it now and I'm loving it. So I want to share it with you guys. So this is the MCT oil from Opportuniteas. I have it in the dark chocolate flavor to mix in with my coffee, but they also have an unflavored version. And this is a powder, so it's easy to mix and easier on your stomach, easier to digest, and you can just add it in with any smoothie or any coffee drink. MCT is really good for brain fuel and energy. Those are the two main uses that I use them for. I feel like I need that brain fuel and I need that energy in the morning. It's also really good for curbing cravings and helping with losing weight. There's also a bunch of other like scientific based studies and proven benefits for MCT oil helping with like epilepsy and diabetes. Like I'll leave more information down below if you guys are curious, because I definitely was, because I had never heard of it before. So yeah, I've been loving this for the brain fuel and the energy. It also helps with just like keeping me a little more fuller throughout the morning, and I'm like loving it. It tastes amazing. I love the dark chocolate. It blends right into my coffee. And Opportunities has a ton of different powders and superfoods, supplements. They have protein powder, turmeric powder, collagen powder, MCT oil. They have a lot of different supplements. I'll leave the link down below. I was really like impressed with them. They had really good reviews and I like their ingredients that they use in their products, so that's why I went with Opportunities. I will leave their link down below if anyone wants to check it out. So I'm gonna make this and we'll head out the door. As you can see, it's super simple. I just take a little shaker bottle, make the coffee, add my syrup, my sugar, the MCT oil, ice, and I blend it all together, and then I put it in my little unicorn cup. Always be a unicorn. And this is delicious. So if you want to try out this MCT oil, I'll have the link down below. Give it a go. It's worked awesome for me. I really liked it. It's helped me a lot with like brain fuel and energy the most. And a lot of people are using it now. There's a lot of benefits, and Opportunities has the best MCT oil with the best ingredients and the best price. This whole entire bag, which is 6 ounces, was only $20. So definitely a good deal and a good brand. I'll have a link down below, so check it out. Okay, it's a hot one today. The AC's off, so I'm gonna make this really quick. I just got to my first stop. I have to run to the bank. What do I have to do? Meet my grandma for lunch, and then we will head to Walmart. So I will see you there. Woohoo! got the goodies. I spent way too much, but I'm really excited to try this all out, see what works. Honestly, like some of their leggings are like super on the affordable. They're all affordable, but some of them are like at such different price points. It's definitely like interesting. I found some for like $7 and some for like 20, 25 bucks. Let's go home and let's try all these leggings. Okay, so we are home, we are back, and I'm going to show you everything that I've tried on. If you see anything that you like, then check the description. I will have everything listed down there below in case you'd like to shop. So first, I know this is not leggings, but I just like had to get these because they are so cute and I've had my eyes on them for a while actually. They're these cute little gym shorts. They come in like 12 different colors and they're just like so soft, and they have little pockets. Do size up though because I had to pin them in the back because they are just a little bit too big on the waist, but they are like super stretchy. Oh, there goes my clip, it's gone. But these are only $7, super affordable, and come in so many colors, and they're just like so comfy. I love them. Okay, now to the legging part, and I just want to mention that this top I've had for the longest time. It's from Forever 21. I will link a few similar ones down below if anyone's interested. It's like my go-to, but they have so many different white ones. I will link them below. Also, I am wearing no-show seamless undies. I always wear nude ones whenever I work out, but today I'm wearing hot pink ones for the sake of the squat testing, because we are for sure doing that. We're gonna test these out, test the quality out, and see if they're worth it. So, okay, let's get into it. I am so obsessed with this first pair. So these are a gorgeous like two-tone blue with mint and aqua. They're compression, they're wicker fabric, so they like wicker away the moisture, and they have really deep pockets to hold your phone, your keys, your like cards, whatever. I love that. They also have like reflective trim, so these are really good for running. I'm 5'1", and this is like where they hit me, like right above my ankle, but I'm really petite, so keep that in mind. This is a size small, definitely true to size. The material's nice and silky, like buttery soft. And what's nice is that the waistband actually has this little drawstring. Okay, this is like kind of weird, but honestly, like that is so nice to have that like custom fit on your waistband. Like it's nice that it's adjustable, and you can just like tuck it back in and no one would ever know. They're the Avia with Flat Tech technology fabric, and these were $19.88. Now let's see if they are squat proof. And yes, they are. Woohoo! Okay, I love these. 10 out of 10. Squat proof, compression, moisture wicking, so comfy in pockets. 10 out of 10. Okay, color number 2. These are beautiful. I love the color combo. They're gray and white, and they look so good with this top. Same exact material, compression, moisture wicking, same pockets. These are just the same ones I showed, but in a different color. Same mesh design, same literally everything, and even the same little drawstring, ding ding. Okay, so these are the same as the others, but they're a different color. So let's see if these are squat proof. I don't know. Okay, I maybe give these like, I don't know, a 7 or 8, because if you definitely wore nude undies, you'd be perfectly fine. But because I have hot pink ones on, you can kind of sort of see them. But if you wore nude, you'd so be good. So again, I give these a 10 out of 10. I love these ones just as much as I like those teal ones. These next pair are cute. I love them. I love the color. It's definitely out of my comfort zone, but I'm so happy that I picked them up. Although these are a different fit. They're by the same brand, the Avia, and they're the same like, what is this, Flex Tex, but these are definitely different in the way that they fit. There's definitely more material up here and the waist is bigger, so definitely size down. Even with like the same little waisty thing, they're still just like way too big. Like I wouldn't feel comfortable wearing these, but they have the same pockets, just like not as like deep, and they are on an angle. But these still are like that nice compression, moisture wicking material, really like flattering. These actually have like the booty seams that like make your booty look a little more flattering, which is nice. And they have like the same designs with the seams going down the bottom, which like makes it just look a little more interesting. And I already have an idea that these are squat proof, but let's put it to the test. Woohoo! Definitely, yes. I had a feeling that they would be. So honestly, like they're so cute and I really like them, but with the sizing being like off, I'd give these like a 7 out of 10, but they still are very cute and I like them, just definitely size down. So this next pair are high-waisted ankle tights. They're still by Avia, but they are a different style. I don't know what it is about Avia, but honestly, like, I like them and I'm liking their leggings a lot. These ones are a little different. I'll show you why. So these ones are high-waisted, which I really like. They still have compression, just not as much as the other. They have the nice booty flattering seams, which I really like. It's just like a nice touch. And the same seams go down the side. I like that these are like a heathered texture with like the gray and the charcoal. I think that's a really flattering like pattern and texture in leggings that I like. And these are ankle length, which is really nice because I'm 5'1". And otherwise, leggings just like don't fit me right, so I really like the length of the ankle leggings. And these were a little cheaper at $12.86. And they don't have outside pockets, but they do have an inside pocket somewhere. Where was that at? Oh, I found it. Okay, so it's in the back right here. It's like a little like fold over pocket. You can put like a little key in. These are also super comfy and true to size. I could wear these all day. They're like a, what are they called? They're made out of a spandex material and they have like that spandex stretch. And I really like these. I would definitely give these a 10 out of 10. Let's see if they are squat proof. I don't know, honestly. Oh yeah, for sure. Squat proof to the max. I like these a lot. Okay. Squat proof, comfy ankle leggings. I like these a lot. 10 out of 10 for sure. Okay, so I have another pair of leggings, but I just realized I completely got 2 sizes up. I don't know how I did that or why I did that, but I'm still gonna show you guys on the rug because they are so cute. I have to share. So these are so me, definitely my style with the florals and all the bright colors and the gray background. I love these and I'm so sad that I picked up the wrong size. How did I do that? This is by the same brand, which is Avia. These are moisture wicking compression. They have the same side pockets with like little like, I don't know, what would you call that? Like little dot cutouts. And it goes all the way down to the thigh, and then it's also down here like on the calf near the ankle. So even though I didn't try these on, I will also have these linked down below in case anyone's interested and you want to check them out. They are just so stinking cute. I love them. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, thumbs it up. If you want to see more legging videos or more Walmart videos, let me know. Leave me a comment. I also have a ton of other Walmart videos and legging videos on my channel, so I will leave those linked down below if you want to watch more. Thumbs up this video. Subscribe if you aren't already. I will be announcing a huge giveaway once we hit 100,000 subscribers, and I'm so excited to announce that. It's going to be huge. So make sure if you are subscribed already that you subscribe. You tell everyone you know to subscribe and share my videos. All of that helps so much, and we will get to our goal sooner than later. I just know it. I love you guys. I am so excited for everything to come to my channel. I can't do this without you guys, and I appreciate every single one of you guys so much more than you know. All of my info is down below. If you want to contact me, send me a comment, a DM, whatever have ya. I always get back to you guys. I love you, and I will see you tomorrow or the next day in a brand new video. Love ya. Bye.